have breaking news developing in our nation's heartland. A high-speed car chase is in progress, and for the first time in news history, we will stay with it live until it resolves in either a huge accident or
Richard!
massive shootout.
Hurry, get in here! There's a car chase on the news!
This is the pulse of what's going on in our country right now. Don't know. He could have something.
The phone lines are lighting up. It's about the chase. I've never seen anything like it.
This is extreme. We believe the driver may be on drugs. He's probably 6'7", 6'8", but a skinny 6'7", 6'8", about 160. He may have a hostage or two. He hit a car. Did you see that? He hit a car. Wow.
He hit the car.
He hit the car.
That's exactly what we needed. It was getting a little boring.
Let's go. Shields. Shields open.
Awesome! Wow. And he just loses it. Wow!
You weigh a little more than 108.
Oh, really?
Let's go. Stop.
Me. The sassy shepherd struggles with syphilis. The sassy shepherd struggles with syphilis. Syphilis. Ma. I would like an Arnold Palmer at the omelet parlor.
See Alfred. Cause I'm Batman.
We're just getting word that police have finally apprehended the suspect. It turns out that he's an elderly gentleman. He's 80 years old, and he was simply confused. I'm Ron Burgundy. Don't just have a great night. Have an American night.
And we are clear.